Method 1. How to delete hidden apps on iPhone using Spotlight. Step 1. Swipe down on your iPhone's home screen to open Spotlight Search. Step 2. Enter the name or relevant keywords of the hidden app in the search bar. Step 3. Review the search results to locate the hidden app icon and name. Step 4. Press and hold onto the app icon until a menu appears. Step 5. From the menu, select Delete App. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Method 2. How to remove hidden apps on iPhone from App Library. Step 1. Open the home screen and swipe left until you reach a blank home screen without any applications. There, you will find a bar labeled App Library. Step 2. Click on this bar to initiate the search for the hidden application you want to delete. Step 3. Touch and hold the app icon, then tap Delete App. Step 4. Tap Delete again to confirm. Method 3. How to delete apps on iPhone that are hidden from settings. Step 1. On the main screen of your iPhone, locate and open the Settings app icon. Step 2. Within the Settings app interface, choose General, and then select iPhone Storage. Step 3. On the iPhone storage screen, you can view all the apps on your iPhone along with the space they occupy. Find the hidden app you want to delete and click on it to open its details. Step 4. In the app details, select Delete App and then confirm your action. Method 4. How to uninstall apps on iPhone that are hidden from App Store. Step 1. Open the App Store and tap on your profile picture. Alternatively, you can long press the App Store icon and choose Updates. Step 2. Scroll down and see if you can find the app here. If not, pull down to refresh the screen. Step 3. If you see the app under Available Updates or Recently Updated, swipe left on its name and then tap Delete. Method 5. How to delete apps on iPhone that are hidden via iTunes. Step 1. On your computer, open the iTunes software and connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Step 2. In the iTunes interface, select the icon for your iPhone, then choose Apps. Step 3. On the Apps interface, you can see all the apps on your iPhone, along with their locations on your computer. Locate the hidden app you want to delete, right-click on it, and select Delete App. Method 6. How to permanently delete hidden apps on iPhone via Coolmuster iOS Eraser. Step 1. Run the application and connect your iPhone to the computer via USB. After installing, when you see the primary interface below, after connecting it, you can erase data on the iPhone. Step 2. Press Erase on the main interface. Select your security level and confirm. Low, medium, or high security levels are available. After choosing, click OK to continue. Step 3. Enter Delete in the blank space to confirm, and then click the Erase button. When prompted to confirm the complete deletion of phone data, click the OK button to initiate the process. After a quick scan, the program may start deleting your device data immediately. Step 4. After the erasure process is complete, your iPhone will automatically restart. The program will then proceed to immediately overwrite your phone data. Once the entire process is finished, your phone data will be permanently and irreversibly deleted, with no chance of recovery. You can now proceed to set up your iPhone anew.